I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make milkshakes for weight loss. First, prioritize ingredients that keep you feeling full, like protein powder and fiber-rich fruits. Opt for low-calorie liquids such as unsweetened almond milk or water. Remember to include a small amount of healthy fats, like a quarter of an avocado, for creaminess and nutrient absorption. Always steer clear of added sugars and artificial ingredients to keep your shake truly beneficial. Let's talk about the essential ingredients for your weight loss milkshake. Start with 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder to boost satiety and muscle recovery. Next, blend in 1 cup of leafy greens like spinach for a nutrient-dense kick without many calories. Add about 1/2 cup of mixed berries for natural sweetness and antioxidants. Finally, a tablespoon of chia seeds can provide healthy fats and extra fiber, making your shake even more satisfying. Now for preparation and customization. Combine all your chosen ingredients in a high-speed blender and process until completely smooth and creamy. You can adjust the amount of liquid to achieve your preferred thickness, whether you like it thin or extra thick. Don't be afraid to experiment with natural flavor enhancers, such as a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract. Adding a few ice cubes can also make your shake colder and more refreshing. To maximize your weight loss results, consider replacing 1 meal per day with your nutritious milkshake. Be mindful of portion sizes for any higher calorie additions, like nut butters, keeping them to about 1 tablespoon. Remember that these shakes are part of a larger healthy lifestyle, so ensure you're also drinking plenty of water throughout the day. For the most effective weight loss journey, combine your healthy shakes with consistent physical activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.